Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. This box right here represents the next month of fun that we're going to have here on Jolly Molly TV. This is Missouri Stars Advent Calendar box, and I am super excited to share this with you. This is an Advent calendar, so we're going to be actually opening one present inside this box every single day of December from December 1st to December 25th. I'm super excited to do this. This is the first year I've done this. This is Missouri Stars 2024 Advent box. So look how adorable this outside box is. I'm keeping this box and using it in my studio because I love the buildings, and it's all the way around on all sides of this box. Look at this Merry Quiltmas. Oh, I am so excited about this. Look at this. Missouri Star Quilt Company. It has a quilt shop. It has Deck the Halls with spools of thread. Missouri Star Mercantile, Quilty and Bright. Let It Snow. Oh, not Let It Snow. Let It Sew. So let's go ahead and let's just do a pre-opening of this outside box. Remember, we're not going to start opening all of these little gifts until December 1st. But I want to give you a little preview of what's to come, and that you can tune into my channel every day to open this up. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, I'll open these. Do that little cut right there. Look at this. This is super exciting. Ooh, look at that. Nice, fresh box. Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. So this is as far as I'm going to let us go today, because we're not actually ready to start this. It's going to be December 1st. And if I take this out of the box, I'm going to be tempted to open it. So this is what we're going to be doing from December 1st to December 25th. So I hope you join me here on Jolly Molly TV for all the fun that's going to be involved in opening 25 Days of Christmas with Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. And until I see you next time, take care and happy stitching. Ooh, I can't wait. See you soon. Bye-bye.